Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February the 15th, 2026. I'm hoping everybody had a great Sunday out there so far. Everybody had a great Sunday evening. Hope everybody can stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the storm system here moving across the country. Your local forecast is also included. The current watch and warning advisory map. Also, the Storm Prediction Center outlook for severe weather. Can't get it out for day number 2. General thunderstorm activity for day number 3. We'll show you what locations that is. And also take a look at the Columbia, South Carolina weather radar across South Carolina. So, alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue getting the show on the road there, folks. Alright, you can see here we got a low pressure system here kind of moving across the Carolina with a cold frontal boundary there. All this activity will continue to spread to the east and exit east as well. You can see some activity all the way up toward Connecticut, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, North Carolina down toward Florida. Got some severe weather down here across Florida as they continue to push on off away from you across the state of Florida and then exit state east from there. A little system up here across southeast Canada, another one across central Canada, some activity across Mexico, stretching into New Mexico. Got some atmospheric moisture moving into California, stretching into Utah, Colorado, Wyoming, Nebraska, also into Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State. We got a little bit of activity there as well. Alright, let's move on to the current local forecast for your local forecast area. Can't get it out there, but we're going to take a look at your local forecast now. Alright, here is your Monday outlook. You can see we've got some shower activity from eastern North Carolina to New Jersey, Rhode Island, thunderstorms across central and south Florida, snow up here in portions of Maine, mixed precipitation from Vermont and New York State to Michigan, northern Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Superior, more shower activity across Arizona, thunderstorms and showers across western Arizona to much of California, also along the coastal waters of Washington, Oregon State. Got some heavy snow across portions of California, northern California, and a portion of Oregon. Got some flash flooding and heavy rain across southwestern California. It did mixed precipitation across Washington, Oregon, Nevada, Idaho, California, Arizona, Utah, Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, portion of New Mexico, Arizona, and areas of Colorado. Otherwise, big dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Monday. Alright, let's move on into your Tuesday forecast now. Should roll out something like this here. Alright, we've got a big area of mixed precipitation from portions of New York State, western New York State to Lake Huron, Lake Superior, Michigan, Wisconsin, Minnesota, through the Dakotas, to Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona, Utah, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, California. Got some heavy snow over a portion of southwestern Oregon and California, mountains and northern California areas as well. Freezing rain possible from northern North Dakota through Minnesota, Wisconsin, Lake Huron, Lake Superior, Michigan region as well. Thunderstorms and showers for Iowa to Wisconsin to Illinois to Indiana, Ohio, portion of Pennsylvania, and Michigan region as well. A little bit of snow in northern Maine also. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Tuesday. Alright, let's move on into your current watches warning advisory map for your location across the nation. And it should roll out something like this here. Alrighty, we got some air quality alerts up here in portion of Pennsylvania, then fog advisories over Ohio, portion of northern Kentucky, eastern Indiana, and also a portion of southeastern Michigan. Got some air quality alerts there as well. Northern Michigan special weather statements. Also, we got some winter storm watches for a couple counties in northern Wisconsin, also in the northern Minnesota, North Dakota, and also in the portion of northeastern Montana. We got some tornado. We got a tornado watch down here in portion of central Florida, special marine warning off the coastal areas there as well. High wind watches also in effect for New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, also in the portions of Kansas, and also into Colorado region as well, and also in the areas of Wyoming. Alright, we got some not mixed precipitation, winter weather advisories for you guys in Montana, Wyoming, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, California, Nevada, also portion of Arizona, and Utah with some winter storm watches there as well. Wind advisories also Utah, California, Arizona, and also a portion of northern California with winter storm warnings in the pink. Alright, got some red flag warnings also in effect for you guys in New Mexico, Colorado, and Wyoming. And we got some more craft advisory gale warning from up here along the coastal areas of Northeast all the way down to the coast of Florida, west coast of Florida, back to southern areas of Louisiana. In the purple, we have some storm warning, kind of pink looking color there is some hurricane force winds. Small craft advisory gale warning from Southern California, Washington State, around the Hawaiian Chain Island with high surf warnings. Advisories, and some wind advisories there as well. Also some around the Alaska regions, winter, and also we have some storm warnings there in the purple. Small craft advisory gale warnings elsewhere. Inland area got some blizzard warnings, winter storm watches, and winter storm warnings for central Alaska. Special weather statement for Oklahoma. Also in the portions of Kansas, Nebraska, and Colorado regions as well. Alrighty, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook, and it should roll out something like this here. Alright, we got a marginal risk over here from Santa Barbara to Los Angeles to San Diego, and a little bit up here around areas of Fresno, California. Sacramento, excuse me, and also just east of San Francisco. Alright, let's take a look at the tornado probability. 2%. Damaging winds 5%. And large hail should roll out like this, less than 5% all areas. Alright, so let's move on into the Storm Prediction Center outlook. And it should roll out something like this here for day 3. General thunderstorms again for Oregon to California, down towards San Diego, and then from Norfolk over toward Minneapolis, and also over toward La Crosse and Green Bay. General thunderstorms expected. Alright. Okay, now let's move on to the Columbia, South Carolina weather radar. You can see the heavy precipitation over toward Georgetown, South Carolina, moving toward Myrtle Beach. We got more activity across Statesboro, Georgia. Also back into just west of Augusta. Got a little line here stretching up into Fairfield County, Lancaster County. You get some activity. Charlotte, you get a little activity. Lexington, North Carolina. And then as this exits to the east, should begin proven weather condition later on tonight, and fair weather expected for your Monday. So alrighty, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll get you back in the next one. Have a wonderful Sunday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got.